Well, EagleView to me is a measuring system that uses GIS mapping and overlay. Allows us to basically get the measurements of a roof without having to go out there and do it ourselves.
We spend less time in the field measuring and more time actually producing bids.
You know, face time with a customer is a lot more valuable than measurement time on a roof.
They provide us with aerial photography, measurements of the roof, and we in turn take those measurements, turn them into an estimate, and then we can create an order from that.
The most valuable feature in the EagleView report is the fact that it reduces so much friction. With the consumer, we write a better and more consistent estimate. With our own internal staff, things are just fundamentally smoother with all the efficiencies.
One thing EagleView has helped us with is professionalism. When we go to bid a job, we don't have to be out there walking the roof with the other contractors. We can spend that time as valuable face time with the decision maker.
Customers love it. They're absolutely impressed when they see the professionalism of the EagleView and they know that we invested in that project before we even got the job.
They do like the pictures, they do like the measurements of the buildings. They've received other proposals from our competitors which may have a line drawing or a hand-drawn drawing of the property. We present them with the EagleView and they really like that.
I was able to put a presentation in front of the homeowner using my EagleView. She was very impressed with just the capabilities that our company had and the programs that we were using. When I showed her roof and all the different pictures that were available, I was able to go ahead and sign her up.
Not only does this give the consumer a more reliable estimate, but what we're hearing from our crews is that we're kind of the preferred contractor to work for because our material planning and material ordering is more consistent, more reliable for them, so it helps them run a more efficient model as well.
The accuracy is increased because there's less room for error. The measurements are guaranteed.
The mismeasurements, the common mistakes that you get from the human error, you know, the human element of it is just not there as prevalent as it was before.
It lets us know exactly how much that job is going to cost, lets us know the size of it, what to order, so there are no problems. I'm able to effectively use the same type of resources, the same amount of capital, but produce more work in a given time frame because I don't have mistakes.
It allows us to have more scalability and sustainability because as prices continue to rise, we got to run a more efficient model, and what EagleView has given us the ability to do that.
I would absolutely recommend EagleView to other contractors. One, for its credibility, its precision, and everything it brings to the table as far as helping with estimates and ordering.
Helps us every day.
EagleView to Aspen is a partner.
We use it on pretty much every roof that we go out to estimate.
Some days we're ordering as many as 200 reports a day.
I would suggest give it a shot. Try it on every job. See how it will fundamentally change your business, how it will elevate the professionalism and bring you in on projects you may or may not have won prior.
I think it's a great tool. I think it's a wave of the future, and with today's burdens on every company to be more efficient, I think the companies that aren't utilizing that technology will find themselves left behind in the pack.